Today I'm going to show you how to install the physical Videoloft Order camera in your kitchen. In the box you'll find the camera with the button attached, a power supply with US, EU, UK and Australian plug adapters, alcohol wipes and Velcro strips for mounting plus spares. You'll also need a wired Ethernet connection to connect the camera to the internet. Step 1. Choose where to place the camera and the button. The camera should be 80 to 100 centimeters from the surface where the receipt will be placed, and make sure the button is positioned so you're not reaching across the camera to press it. Step 2. Clean the wall with alcohol wipes. Once dry, apply the Velcro. It's important to let the Velcro cure for 24 hours before mounting. Step 3. Attach the camera and button. Step 4. Connect the camera to power and Ethernet. Step 5. Log in at ordercam.videoloft.com. Go to Settings and adjust the image orientation or define a capture area if needed. And that's it. Now the Order Cam is ready to help you dispute refund claims and make sure every order is delivered as ordered.